I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge from scratch step by step. Start by bringing sugar and heavy cream to a gentle simmer, stirring until sugar dissolves. I'll walk you through timing, temperature, and testing for the soft ball stage so your fudge sets perfectly. We'll cover chocolate selection, flavor additions, and simple troubleshooting tips to rescue a sugar crystal problem or adjust texture to your liking. Warm, friendly kitchen talk here. Measure everything before you start and set up your tools so you're not chasing pans while candy cooks. A heavy saucepan gives even heat, and a clean candy thermometer helps you hit 234 to 240 degrees F for a classic soft fudge. Line your pan with parchment and butter the paper lightly so the fudge releases without tearing. I'll explain timing and how to avoid common mistakes. If you're enjoying this step-by-step guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, I found a clear, practical book about money and simple choices that pairs surprisingly well with baking patience. It helps you think about value like we think about ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Keep your stove conversation gentle. Simmer, not a roaring boil, to control crystal formation and texture. Once you reach the soft ball stage, remove from heat and stir in chocolate and butter until smooth, then beat until the mixture becomes glossy and begins to thicken. Pour into the pan, tap to remove air bubbles, and let it cool undisturbed at room temperature so the fudge sets with a creamy bite and neat edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.